everyone, welcome back. In today's video, let's see what does the new enhancement that happens inside the email marketing of Odoo 19.4. So there we have some useful improvement that makes managing contacts and targeting the right audience much more easier. So let's take a look what's new. First of all, we need to move on to the contacts. So there we have an improvement that is connecting with email marketing and contact now. So you can add contact directly from a contact app and also see which mailing list a contact is already subscribed to from their contact profile itself. So if I'm taking this Abigail Carter, I can easily add them into a mailing list. Simply move on to the actions and we can add them to a mailing list. Select the mailing list that you need. So let me add this into the newsletters. Once I've done with that, I can click on this option. So actually, Abigail Carter is added on that particular mailing list. And if I'm moving on to that, and if I want to see from their profile itself, I can move on to the mailing contacts. Okay, so there under the subscriptions, you can see this is the mailing list that we have already added. So there we have all the details, which means the subscription date as well. Okay, so basically, this makes it much easier to keep track of your subscribers without constantly switching between different menus. Okay, so that's the first one. Now let's look at the second one. For that, I'm moving on to the email marketing itself. Okay, so that's basically the dynamic mailing list. Okay, so if we are moving on to the recipient and we have the dynamic mailing list, from there itself you can click on the new option and you can create them. So here we have the feature, and this feature is basically helpful for like we can say, instead of managing or manually adding contacts to mailing list every time, you can simply create a list based on a specific filter. Okay, for example, if you could create a mailing list for a customer from a particular country, region, or the customer belongs to any specific industry or contact with a certain tag, Odoo automatically updates the list whenever the contact match or no longer match your selected conditions. So let's see. So here I just open this wizard and let me provide this as B2B United States leads. Okay, so I'm providing like that. United States lead. Okay. And I'm going to provide this as leads as well. So there we have. Once you guys are done with that, you can see after onwards providing the list name, recipient models and everything, Odoo is filtering that particular record. And if you want to add any new rule, you can see this is the country and you from there itself you can select United States. And once you guys are done with it, they we have updated records. And if I want to add any other kind of rules as well, I can provide them. So let me remove this one. Okay, let me remove this one. Once I've done with that, I can hit the save button. So we have just created a dynamic list. Okay. Then what you can do is actually if you're just creating any kind of mailing, like if I'm creating a new mailing, it's actually a lead. Okay. So let it be lead. If I'm selecting this kind of lead, and you know what, you can easily provide the dynamic list that you guys had already created. Okay. So on this basis of that, you can use this feature. So this will be very helpful. So when you are ready to launch your next campaign, which means the email campaign, you can simply select the dynamic mailing list and target the most up-to-date group of the contact as well. So that's how it's working. So those are the key email marketing improvements on Odoo 19.4 onwards. So with easier mailing list management and dynamic mailing list, what you can do, Odoo is actually making it simpler. Keep your contact organized, target the right audience without constantly updating the list manually. So that's the main two things happen inside the email marketing. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another update inside Odoo 19.4 and as well the Odoo 20. So till the next video, bye bye.